Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. This is Gab from Tech Tips for Business. For today's video, we are going to be talking about how to delete columns in Microsoft Excel. Let's get started. There are several ways to delete columns in Microsoft Excel. One of which is mainly selecting or highlighting a certain column and doing this. First, to highlight a column, all you have to do is press the letter that corresponds to the column that you want to delete. Let's say we want to delete the total for this data. All you have to do is click on the column H. It'll highlight all of the cells under the column H, and once you do so, just go ahead and right-click and click on Delete. And there we have it. We just easily deleted a column in Microsoft Excel. Now, you can also delete several columns if ever you want to do so. Let's say I want to delete Thursday and Friday from my list. All you have to do is click on a certain column and drag it across to whichever column you want to delete as well. Just do the same thing, right-click, and head to the delete option. Once you do so, everything within those columns selected will be deleted. As you can see, this cell is updated to the values that are present. This means that we just deleted several columns from column F and column G, which were originally part of the formula. This is how automated Microsoft Excel is when it comes to deleting your data. Now, we can also delete scattered columns all throughout our data. Let's say we want to delete the data from Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. All we have to do is select the corresponding columns. While holding down Control, we can select other columns that are scattered. Once we do so, just go ahead and right-click and click on Delete. Same as earlier, the data has been updated to just satisfy two columns under the column C and column D. Now, if ever you don't want to delete the automation and you just want to hide data, it's fairly simple. Instead of deleting a certain column, all you have to do is right-click, let's say Wednesday, highlight the column E, right-click, and click on Hide. Notice that the total hasn't changed. This is because the data is still there and still present within the spreadsheet. And there we have it. This is how we delete columns in Microsoft Excel.